Happy birthday, baby. Oh, cute. Too cute.
Welcome to zboy and vlogs.
Happy birthday. Video mo nitin. Happy to you.
Yes, let's explore the unknown. Yes, let's explore the unknown.
Hi, guys.
Oh shit, I thought it was a picture.
Hey guys, this is Buwan and SE06EP02 up for another video, and today's video we are here at the place.
Have a great night.
This is Jess.
Yeah, what's up? Have a great night.
So we're looking for places that we want to take pictures with, and that's about it. Amazing. What have you seen, Jess? We have seen a friggin' animal that is mating. Shit. What is he even doing? Video.
Yes, let's explore the unknown.
Yes. 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 And I've got all that I need. Yes. Yes. Wow. Hey, hello guys, this is Buwan up for another video, and today's video I'm with my classmates. So this is Rafi.
The music comes soft and slow.
Wow, ganda naman.
Baby, we ain't got no place to go.
Ganda naman. Kinis mo, pre.
This is your vlog and this is your boy.
Yeah, this is my vlog.
Who are you?
Who are you?
This is Benedict's caddy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Benedict ko, ah. Agay. Puta.
Look at him. Oh. Yeah, the Mobile Legends. You know?
Superstar.
Superstar.
Mobile Legends superstar. Tarara.
Huwag mo ipadulit, boy.
Huwag mo lagi padulit, man. So this is how crazy we are. This is Rafi Ben Consejo.
Hi.
What can you say, Raf? He is a call center. Wow. Rafi. Maliliit na bagay.
Brakil.
Okay, introducing for this YouTube video, the Boda Kill. This is Boda Kill. Boda Kill. This love. Okay. Boda Kill this love.
I got a feeling.
Okay, so this is Michael Panghilinan. Michael Panghilinan. Tapos Bugoy Drilon eh. Tapos koan Daryl Ong. At siya Daryl Ong. Okay. Sige na, manganta na ta Boda Kill.
4, 3, 2.
Boda Kill this love.
Bukit si boss music na to.
Okay. Unsa tong katahon?
Waray.
Waray.
Oh, unahan mo lali ka ng Michael Panghilinan. Kulot niya. Kulot. Alik sa'yo.
Ang iyong buhok at Dilaw ang iyong buhok. Buhok mo green. Wow, bugoy drilon, bigoy.
Bugoy video.
Ayun, kaganda. Ang ngiti, ito na, iba na ang nagbago ng lahat.
Actually, magdala sa toothpaste.
Pamili.
Ayaw kay Rap yung mga pores.
Amazing.
Yummy, kami lang yung ekip.
Cutie.
Future ka rin sa mga hindi na yung
This is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. So cute. So epic cute. Cutie.
What are you doing under there? Walang Cute!
Yes, let's explore the unknown.
Hey guys, so I'm with my student Yasha and May. Amazing. Filming those kids dancing makes me feel like I'm a stalker. Amazing. Put your head on my shoulder. Head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. 'Cause baby, that you love me too. Oh, hi there. Drink your water. Ooh, look at these stuffs in my water. Yes. It's chia seeds. Yes. Look at this stuff. Yes. Amazing. Let's explore the unknown. Hi, Michael. Do you wanna shoot? Dirt, yung mga ID. Michael, do you wanna shot? Do you wanna shot? Oo, I'm videoing for my vlog.
Nag-vlog me ka! Pagkaman me!
Nag-vlog kayo ng ate mo? Wow.
Sa was 25 sa sila, ug sa Tamalogleya, ug sa
Wow! Yes, natanaw day ko, ana. Unsay pangan? Nasa YouTube na, na-upload na. Ay, wow.
Kay Bob.
Apa kay Bob? Chris, don't do that. Okay, go! Go! Angad, angad! Angad! Chris, angad! Okay, go! Go!
Tara, nag-vlog ka.
Okay, hi guys, this is zboy MNTBN. So, nandito ako, kasama ko ang aking mga colleagues. At ngayon lang din nalaman na vlogger ako. Anong masasabi mo, Teacher Lani?
Maganda, ayos to.
May mga may mga panawagan ka ba na kasi maraming nanonood nito eh. And then ano yung panawagan mo, Teacher Lani?
Nalilito ako, sir, kasi ang ganda ko sa camera, wala kay laban.
So, happy fiesta nga pala sa Dawes. Ay, aso kayo. Fiesta nga pala sa Dawes. And look at this. We're actually inviting all the people who's watching this. And I'm sure there's only 6 views here, so it's okay.
Amazing. Hi guys, so palagi na tayo nagsuso-so. Pasensya na. Anyways, nandito ako sa Danao City kahit fiesta sa Dawis Norte kasi nga yung ate Angge niya po nawalan po ng pera dun sa sa palengke ng Danao City. Malaki-laki yung pera, 1,800. Ayun na, sinabihan ko na huwag kang mag-alala, pupuntahan ko na dyan kasi yun talaga yung mga diba? Yun naman talaga yung importante sa relationship kung saan kapag merong problema ang isa, meron kang makakalin on doon sa mga pangyayari, diba? Gets nyo? Ang hirap kong kausap, no, kasi isa din ako sa mga nasasayangan sa pera niya. But anyways, ang dapat gawin talaga kapag may girlfriend kayong merong anxiety or merong problems is not to blame them and not to tell them na anong tawag dito, na dapat kasi tinago mo, or dapat kasi iningatan mo, ganyan. Or dapat kasi hindi mo inaano yung pera mo, wag ganun. So, you just have to be positive. So,
Yes, let's explore the unknown.
mula noon hanggang ngayon, di makaniwala ang nadarama mula noon. I love